When designing products, knowing if it will work is critical. However, knowing how long it will last is just as important. Knowing a product's durability helps ensure it meets customer needs as well as minimizing unexpected warranty issues. But how can you determine your product's durability? The strength of most materials reduces over repeated loading. This means that over a period of time, even a load well below the yield strength may cause a part to fail. This behavior is commonly called fatigue. Normally, it requires days, weeks, or even months of testing to ensure a part will last the desired time. What if you could test the life of a part in minutes to make sure you have the best design choice? This ability is provided by the durability roles in the 3DEXPERIENCE Works portfolio, combining industry-leading Abacus and FE-safe solvers in a single environment. And when you incorporate the fatigue properties of the material with the repeated loading, you can get excellent insight into the life of your design. More than 300 materials with fatigue properties are included, and you can define additional materials if necessary, enabling you to accurately capture real-world testing scenarios. Define performance requirements in your web browser and automatically rank revisions and alternative designs. Parameters like life, stress, displacement, mass, and much more can be taken into account, giving you a comprehensive look at your options and to easily determine the optimal design. When your product is designed in SOLIDWORKS, modifying dimensions and features is quick and easy. To see how the design changes impact the life of the part, the simulation study needs to be rerun. But where is it, and what application was used? The associated simulation can be found and opened by viewing the relations of the SOLIDWORKS part, eliminating those costly, time-wasting scavenger hunts. The geometry changes made in SOLIDWORKS are automatically recognized in the simulation, and since the restraints, loads, and other properties are maintained, only the updated mesh is necessary to solve for the results. Once the simulation is finished, results can be compared locally and in your web browser by anyone in your organization to quickly identify the best design and how it compares to the other design options. Increase the insight into the life of your products with the durability roles in the 3DEXPERIENCE Works portfolio. For more information, contact your reseller or visit solidworks.com/simulation.